Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. So welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Welcome, guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. Yeah, so I just want to thank you guys all so much for the love and the support. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone, you know. So welcome back again. So, you know, today's mission, you know, we're going to head to see Cranberry family as well to give them some donation and to see how the dad is doing and everything, because they know I've been away from them for so long, you know, because I've dealing with other stuff, you know. But you know, Cranberry, they always calling my phone to see how am I doing, how is everything and everything, you know. They're always checking up as well too, you know. And Esther is not back yet on the island, you know, but she will return very soon as well too. So yeah, so you know it goes already. So blessed love to all. So yes, guys, as I said, it was sad, you know, putting down old chef mom, you know, and also the painter at the same time, the same day, you know. So a tough experience to be attending two funeral in the same day, you know. That was the first time I ever encountered something like that, you know. So we appreciate, you know, and we give thanks and say show each other love, because you never know when I want it, you know, physical is not going to be here anymore. So we don't want after, we want to give them the roses when them passes and gone, you know. I want to start to give them roses from before, you know. That's been a saying for how long since I've been growing up. So I know it's been before my generation, people been saying the things, so show love to people. Don't wait till them dead and gone then you want to come show love, you know. So it's like some fake love or something, but we should all show love before all of this take place, you know. Because in life, you know, sometimes them say life is not what you think it is, but it's how you live it, you know. That's what life is, you know. And life, we have to accept changes, because change will come, you know. In anything that you're doing, we have to accept changes, you know. Things will change. It's not everything you do in life will always remain the same, because it's just the cycle of life. We have to expect the unexpected, you know, and just know how to move on and accept the change, you know. Don't just talk and worry about the past, because the past you cannot go back. You cannot live in that same house in the past, you understand? So you move from the past. It's impossible for you to rewind the past, to go back in the past, you know, while you're in the present moment now, you know. And my journey, you know, I give thanks so much, you know, for my journey, because I think my journey was something that was ordained for me to do, you know. It was ordained for me to do. No matter if I did choose to do anything else, you know, that wasn't the purpose, you know. This is what my purpose is, you know. It is my purpose for what I'm doing, because this is where I feel a sense of purpose, sense of love, you know, sharing and caring for each other, you know. So, you know, this thing, I started this thing from 2020, you know, been helping out, starting the church from them times. You know, along the line I always say, you know, you start out with so many, but it's not who you start out with, you will literally end out with, you know. Because I'm saying change will always happen, you know, change will always happen, and we have to always just accept the change, because you start out with so many and then you look now, sometimes it just fade away, you know. But that's how it is, you know. It's out of my control. It's way out of my control, because change will happen, you know. Because it doesn't mean that because through I am doing the purposes for everyone, you know, maybe for a time, you know, because I always say the race is not for the swift, but who can endure it. And mentally you have to strong, you know, because trust me, I did have to stay strong on this journey, because doing something like this, dealing with different mentality when it comes on to deal with donation, with money overall, you know, it's never easy. It's literally never easy. So we have to know that things will change, people would fade away, you know, we have to continue on our journey, you know. So I know a lot of you guys always watch and I notice, you know, some of the members them anymore and every little thing, because of, you know, people have them reasons, and you have to understand, say, this charity is where people volunteer them time, you know. So if it's not in you for continue on your journey to do what you're doing, then it literally just wasn't for you, you understand? And then that I've got no control over that, you know. So my program is a program for me to bring all the drama and bring people business, literally, like, on the program like that, you know, because, you know, things do happen, you know, and I rather just keep it under the mat, you know, and just move on from there, because I don't want my channel to be like, oh, if there's a drama, I run come and I bring it, you know. No, never want it like that, you know, because things can happen, and sometimes you can just make it slide, you know, and we just move on from the situation, more than we're going to literally prolong the situation and make it even worse. You understand? Because if I had to explain the situation of every problems that take place, you know, you might not accept the problem what take place, and then you probably want to go ahead and give that person a whooping or a bashing, you know, because of what's said and what done. And sometimes it doesn't need it, you know, because whosoever is going to comment and say this and say, oh, that person, they should have done this and they should have done that. At the end of the day, just remember that who's commenting and the person who's reading it, they don't know the person. But the attention is going to turn to me, because I'm the one that put out that content, you know, with the problems. You understand? So I just, to solve all problems, I avoid the problem. That is the way I see it. To solve all problems, I avoid the problems. So when people have problems, I tend if they cannot deal with the problems themselves, you know, there's so much I can do, you know, and I cannot change the world, you know, but I only can do what I can do to inspire who I can inspire. You know, that's what life is, and that's what you are here also to, you know, to be the change. So, you know, the journey will always continue doing my program, same way. It will never stop, you know, because I have a purpose, and this is what I'm doing, you know. So that's how it is with life, guys. Sometimes you have to just read between the lines, you know, because the man always say too much bull in a one pen, and where it goes already, you know. So things are always going to happen. So people have to just sort out them indifference and know that it's all about love, you know. If you don't have love to show love, it's going to be hard, you know. But me, it's all about love, man. So yes, guys, so yeah, man, enough said about that. So let's get on that journey. I'm going to head, you know, to see if Boom available, or whosoever available, so we can head up to Mama River. And stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Blessed love. Alright, guys, well, so literally just touched down in Trenchtown now, you know. So we got Rasta Jackson here, we got Boom, and we got Wow Chef, you know. Esther literally just came as well to say, you know, it's not going to make a journey because we just came off the plane, so you know the journey already, and plus dealing with all the kids them. So yeah, so you know the thing was already, we're going to need resting. We're going to take on that journey again to go up by the river. So what I'm going to do now, I got some donation to give to Boom, Wow Chef and Rasta Jackson, and then now we're going to head on up to by Mama River to see the Cranberry family, you know. So we have Rasta Jackson here, you know, I think Rasta Jack is here, standing right next to Kino Life in Jamaica. You don't know fear. Yeah. You don't know fear, so yeah. So Boom the woman fried 2 fish, so Boom same soup come out, yeah, and things. So that's, you know, me also have a card and have a donation as well to fire, you know. So let me deal with Jackson first. This is Rasta Jackson card from Sir E. This is from Sir E of Jamrock. So this is your one as well too. This is from Sir E of Jamrock. That's your card.
Yeah, Sir E from Jamrock.
Of Jamrock. He's a YouTuber that come here. This is $3,000 as well to for you.
Yeah.
From Sir E of Jamrock. Wow, Jackson, speak up my voice lower.
Yeah, because to know what's into
it. What's too?
Yeah, number 2. You can't hear number 2.
You got to say you can sing like ghost now.
Yeah, man.
So here's $3,000
yeah.
from Sir E.
Every time, enough respect every time. Yeah, give thanks and praise every time. That's right. Yeah, guys, every time.
Yes.
Yeah, more love from Billy. Respect, yeah, give thanks every time.
Alright then, so. And we have Boom just arrived. Boom, say the fish not burn up.
No, yeah, one. Boy, I get down a spoon from chopping a tree.
What? It's a big fish. It's a big fish I get, man. If you chop in a tree. Most of them big fish that you are. So boom, a long one. Okay. Piper. One. And deadly piper you get.
You go to a river and catch them name Mullet. Yeah, Mullet.
Okay. Alright, so boom, this is your card as well too. From Sir E.
Sir E.
of Jamrock.
Blessed and one love, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, they put on your mouth like a souvenir.
Yeah. We'll have the bike pass. So that's. How do you remember? Yeah, man. So that's Sir E of Jamrock. So here's $3,000 as well to for you. You know, from Sir E of Jamrock.
Sir E from Jamrock. Blessed and one love. Thanks.
Alright, so yeah. Esther, come here, have one to fear as well too.
My mother let me out to make her walk around. She locked her door between us. So I have to come down for going.
Yeah, so Esther, this is $3,000 here for you. So welcome back. She's jet lag. You know, jet lag, plane lag, ear lag.
And a jet blue thing.
And a jet blue. So you got jet, yeah. Because she have on a blue. So this is $3,000 from Sir E. Yeah, of Jamrock. Sir E TV of Jamrock.
Thanks, Sir E TV
of Jamrock. Yeah.
I really appreciate it. I'm really tired.
Alright, then so she's tired and she ain't no liar. Alright then, so we have whoa. You know? We have whoa now, you know? Whoa, so this is your card as well too. From Sir E. You know, he's sending condolences as well too. You know, so
City.
Look like a city.
Look like New York City, you know.
Look like a New York City. That's San Francisco. Yeah, that's San Francisco. What a your place, USA.
Yeah, man. Sir E. Only for love, only for blessing, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Can come like send this now, Sir E. You know, this I do. I'm a jester. You can look on it every day and night, you know.
Yeah.
You can know all the thing there. You know? San Francisco. Love it, man.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Sir E. Man. Blessed love.
Alright, so this is $3,000 worth for you from Sir E.
Sir E.
You know, Sir E of Jamrock.
Sir E from Jamrock.
Of Jamrock.
Of Jamrock. Big up yourself, Sir E from Jamrock now. Holy for love, holy for blessing. You know, Sir E, enough loving.
Yeah. And you know the thing is, as I say,
yeah, man.
In the know the donation was the kind of arrived late.
Yeah,
that's
man.
what they gave me, so they gave me $5,000 worth too, you know, for towards the passing of your mom, you know, to help out a little thing. So even though she already rested in peace now, you know, she's sleeping right now. So this is $5,000 a year for your same way, you know, because of your money. So here's $5,000 more from Sir E of Jamrock.
Sir E, it not change, man. Sunday she gone down, you know, she rest in peace now. still can donation to my local auntie around there. You see me?
Yeah.
Family tradition, it not gone nowhere.
Yeah.
So, sir, blessed love, thank you very much. Holy for blessing, you know. Enough love, you know, sir. Yeah, man.
Alright then, so give thanks to Sir E.
Sir, holy for blessing,
guys,
enough time.
So we give thanks to Sir E. Thank you so much, you know, blessed love. And guys, so guys, you can check out. So guys, you can check out Sir E. Off Jamrock, you know, is also a YouTuber as well too. Sir E. Off Jamrock, you know, check him out anytime when you're ready. You know, so big up Sir E.
Big up every time, more love. All the extended family, more love every time. Love them every time. Yeah.
Enough love, sir, blessed love, one. Holy for time, amen.
Time.
Alright, so we have a worship to come in. We have 2 more donations here for you. So we have one here for you from Jackie Grant.
Jackie Grant.
From Canada. $6,000 here for you from Jackie Grant from Canada.
No, blessing, holy for love, you know, Jackie Grant from Canada.
They send the condolence same way, you know.
Jackie from Canada, I'm still, you know, holy for blessing, enough love, you know.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. We can do what you sense.
And we also have Country as well from White Plains Road. You know, we also send him condolence, you know, in the one this reach before your mom set up. You know, so this could have contributed with helping purchasing food or alcohol for the setup, you know. But this arrived like literally just at the same time, you know, so you could get to receive it. So this is $13,000 a year from Country from White Plains Road.
White Plains Road. Country, thank you very much from White Plains Road.
Bronx.
Blessed love, enough love, Country. I don't drive late still, but we still can use it and do something. As a Country, blessed love, you know. Thank you very much.
Yes,
Country. Big up your heart, blessed love.
Alright, so big up yourself, Country.
Big up yourself, Country.
You know, you think White Plains Road, Bronx. You know, it goes already a full place in our worship, hometown, them place in New York, you know.
New York City.
You know, and New York worship.
Straight New York City, man. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. San Diego, New York place, same way, you know. Only for blessing. Enough love, you know. Thank you very much.
Alright then, so we're going to head out to go Mama River. So Esther going to sit out this one because she jet lag, plane lag, ear lag, and breath lag. Mr. Just come off of the plane, make sure you kids, you know.
Never talk, start.
Yeah.
They have a family, man.
Moving up.
Hello.
High
five. High five. I'm coming when I'm leaving. Yeah, not long. Never out here. So now I'm going, so I'm soon come back, okay? Guess where I'm going?
Cranberry.
So see you later, okay? When I just touch wood, trying to say Cranberry at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay. So high five. So later, okay? Later. Yeah. that done. Alright guys, alright, well. We just arrived here at Mama River. Just arrived, boy, I tell you, this journey seems like it's getting longer through the traffic on the road, you know? Traffic. Man, we should leave the stick right here if you say whenever I see an apple gone. Nothing up there.
The stick outside. I take them right there, you know. So left it outside.
See them put camera now on the wall right there, so look.
I want up there, so one in front here, up there again.
What the point?
When you start down the think on our watch too much.
Then they're not target anymore.
Yeah, man, can't catch them, kill them off the next to the corner.
Look one there.
Yeah,
Yeah, they come up one.
You say said man with that talk to look down there, so the same man that talk where
Yeah.
if we that talk here, we that talk him up and see them gone.
And not him, but the next one over there.
So you don't see him. Who's that camera over there to you know?
This place is for sale.
Yeah.
Like a pool or so. That one go higher.
Yeah, we have to some more sand back on it. But I can't see the night. It's a disco bar, but it's open at the vibe.
Oh.
And it's there to cover a Mexicano. You don't see the whole day. But you never eat nothing. From the end up, you have to buy some of the PR.
Oh. Charge up there.
Yeah, I'm up there to some store.
What is it?
What's in that flash?
You start work back already?
Yeah.
The suit don't wash? Okay. Alright guys, the dad ain't resting at all. Yeah, the dad is up there working. The man ain't resting at all, boy. I just arrived and I'm walking up the hill, and you can see that the dad is working. You know, he's literally working. Oh my days. Charge! Nana, what happened? What happened to your face? Eh? The charge is back on the world. Charger. What happened to your eye, Nana? Your eye got swelled up? Eh? What happened to it? You don't know? Man, you're allergic to the cat in the common seat. Come on. Just get swelled up just like that?
My uncle did have a something that had them cut it.
Oh, wow.
Like that, so.
Oh, what?
And then tomorrow I go to the doctor.
You go to the doctor tomorrow? So you wake up and you see like that?
No, I found Sunday.
From Sundays like that? What? It is swell up more than that?
No, it is sell out small and them on Monday it gets sell out and then it gets sell up more.
Wow. I forgot to ask your dad what is that. Oh guys, you see that? Like a little, I don't know, so what them say name? I don't know. I forgot to ask your dad and your mom. You see that guys? Whoa. I'm going to ask your dad and come back here. I'm going to ask your dad. I hope it's not something with them allergic to. You know?
Yeah, then do some finish but
yeah. So Charge, you say you have the strength?
Yeah, man, now we have
yeah, I have the strength.
I'm a strength now.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah, brother say yo, they want you for rest. Everyone concerned and say yo, I want the dad get back some rest and everything. You know? I can't believe. So I put in some flashing. What white nose? What? Damn, so that a flash out right here, so. Oh, it's a dress it up, okay. No rest, guys. Look at this, man. You take the money, you rest. The money you're working. I think the dad is resting, the dad is back on the work. Man said no rest in the game. There's a George, no rest in the game.
Yeah.
No rest in the game. So how you feel otherwise now?
That one I come on already can't get back my strength and
Yeah,
I can eat and everything.
yeah, you can't see it, so you start pull out back now.
Yeah, man, so I eat.
Yeah.
Get back my strength.
You can see it, man, because what you kind of lose it,
Yeah,
you pull out back now, you know?
Yeah.
And you eat the right thing, them?
Yeah, man, try.
Try. We only can try, you know?
Yeah, that's right.
Because I'm saying a lot of people are concerned. I have some people send some donation personally for you, you know, for you to get some, you know, some healthy stuff, some healthy food and everything there. They've never sent it towards the house, I'm sending it towards the health. You know, so I have some donation for you, you know, kind of finish up. But boy, I tell you, the thing I come see I rest up.
If I would ever get out, take out all the sun and
yeah,
we go see you, Mr. Media, what.
Yeah.
So you know, some of my fight. If I follow it more time, I will try to fight it.
Yeah, true, you have to try to fight it, you know. So the whole of dress up. So this place you have to finish dress up. Alright, so I speak to my uncle as well, you know my uncle, the one who lent the standard from my bill line and everything. So well, one of them day in the week, we'll come up with some of them and them, come give us strength, you know? Yeah. Because we decided, so alright then, we're on barge and some of the members them go, you know, find a day and come up here one day in the week, come give them a helping hand. you know, and see if we can squeeze off or we can squeeze off. Because them to say, where you go through, you see me, so everybody thinks, yeah, rest up, you know. But this dad ain't resting at all, you know. Man just want to know say everything alright for the kids, and so the man start putting in the work, because it quite surprised me, you know. But you know, I say one day in a week I come up here, you know, so anything where you have the material, anywhere we forget those I come out come give us strength and just cook up some food and whatever vibes and just so we can finish off. You know, so from the material is here, the work will go on. You see me, so go on what material is here and everything. So you can just look around and see what you're going to want to get done, and once you have the material, we just come and just whap, you know.
It's
a great man, because I say it's a great strength. There's a builder like yourself, see me, so. And then others are got there, so I got there from early out and whole heap can get done, you know, quick and fast. So anything we left back to do almost like scraps and batches, you know. So once the material there, man, so. Yeah, man, I can beat another weekend, man. One of them days. It's like Wednesday or Thursday, one of them days still. Definitely for sure. Alright, man, I have to tell you. Alright, God. And say God is good, you know. God is good, because we see the man recover from a mild stroke and the way how he was really down, you know, in health-wise. And see the man get up and start work again already, you know. Don't sit down and wait, you know. No, sit down and wait. Yes. Everyone flush now. Yeah. So how the food feel? Well, it's swell up on your stomach.
Yeah, it's swell up to start step back on it away. But that's what I say, once I put the pressure on it, it's alright, you know.
Yeah.
That kind of lock up, but once the pressure comes on it,
start swell up.
Well, yeah.
Well, I speak to the herbal man, you know, so him say I'm going to give you a strength, you know, so I'm going to call you, you know, and help and give you some help situation where help is needed. But you know, I'm going to talk to you because you have to go back up on some detox as well, you see me? But even though you have them a reason still, you know?
It's all a pepper thing the way I do where they have to do.
Yeah.
One more man get one more then.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I buy a couple of them for you. You know, because if you want to donors them, so you must buy some bitters as well to fear, which is the same pepper, the nuni though.
Yeah, the nuni and the cayenne pepper.
Yeah, bad though.
Yeah, man, come here just a couple of times and I'll feel it.
Yeah, bad man. Once you have that feed for man, you know, because it's good for the diabetes.
I'm talking about the cayenne powder.
Okay, yeah, the powder as well too.
They must say powder, good, you know.
I the same pepper, you know, when them turn into a powder.
Okay.
Yeah.
I must say, if you try to get the powder, in the morning, a teaspoon with a cup of water.
A cup of water, yeah. Right, it's actually the powder different now from the pepper in that way.
Okay.
So the powder now you cannot put some in a cup and drink it. With the pepper now, you know, it's like just like Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah.
Oh, the pepper and the powder, two different things.
I see them thing, man, but you should because should the powder. Yeah, powder out. Instead, now you have to have the pepper where you have to go boil it and everything, but when you don't powder out, it's easy to dissolve. Flash in and get there.
Yeah, man, I'll cover that.
I want to nana eye. What she say?
Come like a something by it. Yesterday, she just get up with her eye, swell up. This one, she said, swell more, but if you look at sister one, look older, like, bite something by it.
Yeah.
So most of me, I watch it in talk, and think that she out a bit bust.
Yeah.
In the bush, I'm carrying her after week.
Right.
But like a something by it.
Oh.
But she said nothing about it.
Yeah, I'm not thinking about buy it right this song.
Don't she say nothing about it.
I'm thinking about it right this time. The float.
Yeah.
How we use ply?
I apply for you, but I solid text me.
Solid text you use. Evening. Right, don't look at me.
Oh, me?
Yes, that's what I said. Evening.
What me there?
Evening.
And then?
Huh?
What me there?
But you don't, so no. You will know, right? Right, Nana? She will know. Yeah? And don't come close to me neither. Don't come close. Come here, Nana. Come here and talk. Yeah, walk behind my families. Come here, Nana. Come here and talk. I wish I go. I wish I go. Oh, I'm teddy bear bossy up here, so. Teddy bear the bossy.
Me wash my teddy bear.
You wash your teddy bear?
Yeah.
Oh,
Teddy bear. Me wash my teddy bear.
You wash your teddy bear? Nice. That's nice. I like them. Oh, you never put a light in here, so charge?
The TV, you just turn on TV at night time because them normally watch it at night time.
Oh, and wire it out. Okay. This from uncle you can come fix all this too. You can fix all that for you. Yeah, everything. Oh, not paint. Alright, kids, me no want sweetie?
Who wants sweeties?
No want sweetie? Not cranberry.
Hi, Daddy.
Not cranberry. Oh, little man there. Come in, little man. Cranberry, where you going? No call you.
Remember boy and sister too.
We and cranberry, we now use cranberry at talk today. Now use, you can? Now use cranberry again. We work with Nana, Toko, Tara, and little man, and Charge there, and Kenisha there. So anybody else get left, yeah guys? Yeah man, we don't see cranberry here, so. You don't see cranberry?
Sarah.
You see her?
Yeah.
No, Sarah. That's not cranberry. We see raspberry, burberry, you know, berry. But yes, but yeah, I got sweetie for you. But listen, I got to eat off all of this.
Nah, put down some.
I got sweetie phone from Esther. You know, Esther sent sweeties, you know, because Esther just came back as well.
Esther, thank you so much. And may God bless you and make your food basket never empty.
Yeah, so Esther is tired, so she couldn't make it today. You know, so it's sweetie for each and everyone. And give little miss can get as well to all the kids. One bag of sweetie. You can't eat out so much, you have to hide it. You have to hide it.
You just get one. You see same thing. You see same thing. After you bubble gum, when you done you get it.
I know. Come here, I'm putting it again. I don't know the buy turn charge.
Maybe them go cut it.
Yeah.
But tomorrow she go down there. That's why I say me want to start out some of them. Today that I can say we just put them on the line for go and breeze by tomorrow.
How let me see. How let it?
Look at this one. Look on the top of it. Like a bump like.
I know all the ear you see. It just ripe. It get ripe.
That's a cotton.
Them are dead meat. Them are dead meat skin.
I then probably put a ointment for it or dry it down. Ointment for dry it down. Oh, sir.
The fire shear.
Alright guys, so as you say, we have some donation here, you know, so this trip, you know, is about the dad, you know, because a lot of you guys concerned about the dad health, and trust me, the things when I come see the man arrest, you know, I come see the man put in some work, boy, it's like there's no arrest in the end game, you know, so as I say with the plans, we are come up here, come give him a day, you know, we are Baja and some of the members them, come up here, come give us strength, you know, but the strength is needed, see me because I am alone, you know, and so far as I can see, improvement and the daddy then put on back a weight and feel like a better CMA. So the donation that I receive, you know, I still got more donation to go and write up, so I never get the chance to write up all the donation guys. So if you don't hear any call in this section, you will hear it in the next. You understand? So I got another donation to go and write up. So this is the dad for him to go and sort out. You know, getting food. Did he get medication?
You know, so me get the antibiotic, but we want to never start out because I cook at it, let me say, thing there on my chest.
Oh, wow. Infection?
Yeah.
So you get antibiotics for that?
Yeah.
Oh. So let me get a prescription?
Yeah, man, me get prescription.
Oh, so it not feel yet? It feel? Okay. How much you feel that?
Whenever I check feet and that now once I go to a 7 day,
yeah.
It go by 7 day now.
Oh.
Now I go feel it. Then now I go feel it because I pass over by 7 day.
Oh, so you never want to take it? Oh.
So my chest kind of free up here now.
So you rather go the herbal way, the health way? I go see the herbal man so him can give. But keep your phone on so no call so him can talk to you. I'm not try to call the number today, I'm never get through. So you have to keep the phone on because I want to talk to you. Yeah? Alright then, so this donation I have for you, you know. I have one for the Cranberry family, say me for the Cranberry, that's all. I don't get one. The rest is that about Uno today, it's about the dad. Yeah? It's not for Uno feeding time today. So this one what I have for Uno here for the Cranberry family is from Bella at Mix Vlog. I will drop. So it's called, so he's also a YouTuber as well, so guys. So remember Bella at Mix Vlog, you know, he's from Florida as well, so he's also a YouTuber. So you can check out his YouTube channel, you know, Bella at Mix Vlog, you know, you can check him out. So he's also contributing as well to all the Cranberry family, you know. So we have 7,500 here for you from Bella at Mix Vlog.
Bella from Mix Vlog, thank you so much, and never make your food basket empty, and may God bless you.
You must say Bella at Mix Vlog.
At Mix Vlog, thank you so much.
Cranberry, so Bella at Mix Vlog.
Thank you so much.
So here you are, 7,005. You should get shy. I wouldn't she get shy.
Nobody.
I'm telling you, we call her Cranberry from Shyberry. You know, see that. Cranberry from Shyberry. No, you like that name there?
No.
Shyberry. You call her Shyberry. So alright then, puppy. You know, so when you get sweetie and you get donation, so don't worry. You know, so it's too high for me to charge it. Got the camera if I go up here. A little bit. So as I said, this, you know, if you can get buy the right thing, you know, medication for feel anything and for do others for the health because the people don't want to see it up. You understand? So this one can do not go and still stand there right here, see me. So come here, Cranberry, come hold this for me. That's all you had to do today's wall. And I say give me one, you give me one. Look, hold it. And I say give me one, you give me one. So this one we have here is from Joyce from Texas, you know, to help out with charge, you know, help with. So this is Joyce from Texas, 7,500 for you. Remember, this is not for material or anything, you know.
Thanks, Joyce from Texas.
Joyce.
Thanks, Joyce from Texas.
Yeah.
For nice one, I give thanks. May God bless you so much. Thanks again.
Alright, give me one more, Cranberry. Give me one. And we have one from Sir E.
Miss Joyce, thank you so much. I never left your food basket empty. Thank you so much from my heart.
Alright. And we have one from Sir E. You know, him say must tell you happy Father's Day. You see me, belated Father's Day from Sir E. You know, this is $5,000 a year for you from Sir E.
Yes, Sir E. Give thanks again. Only for honor and give thanks again.
So big up yourself, Sir E.
Sir E,
thank you.
Sir E, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never empty.
You want to say Sir E then?
Sir E, thank you so much for not making food basket never empty.
Boy, your mouth full of sweetie. Yes, sweetie, yeah, E. Now thanks Sir E.
Thank you, Sir E. For making food basket never
empty. Alright, give me one more, Cranberry. Thank you, Cranberry. You're full of money, man. Take good of them, sir. Then so we have Will, you know, from Canada. Charge Will from Canada. Same thing to help out with the health, you know. This is $9,000 from Will from Canada.
Will from Canada. Thanks again, man. Only for love and honor. Thanks again.
Will from Canada, thank you so much. I'm making
Will, you know some hear name many times.
Yeah, many times.
But me I tell you thank you so much. And may God bless you and never make your food basket empty.
Yeah. Alright, so we have give me one more, Cranberry. So we have one more here. And we are from Elaine. You know, I'm saying the same thing Miss Elaine said from Canada, Brampton. She said to help out with the health, any medication we need, any prescription for feel, you know, food, you know, buy the ground food and buy the things them saying. But I say we have other donation to start out as well, but I'm not get the chance to go and do that yet. So this is 9,500 from Miss Elaine from Canada.
Miss Elaine from Canada, thanks again, man. Only for love and thanks again.
Miss Elaine, thank you so much and never let your food basket run empty.
Miss Elaine, thank you so much. I make your food basket never run dry.
Yeah. Cranberry, thank Miss Elaine.
Thank you, Miss Elaine.
So much. I understand when you say camera pan, you say shy, you know. You have camera, you have too much mouth. Too much mouth. So we have one more here from Jackie Grant from Canada also. $9,000 charge from Jackie Grant from Canada.
Thanks, Miss Jackie Grant from Canada. Thanks very much, man, and I hope Mighty God bless you so much. Thanks again very much.
Jackie Grant.
Thank you, Jackie Grant from Canada, and may God bless you.
Thank you, Jackie Chan.
Jackie Grant. Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan.
Jackie Grant.
From Canada. Thank you so much. And never let your food basket go empty. Cranberry.
Stop again. Thank you, Jackie.
Grant.
Johnny.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And don't make a food basket never empty.
Thank you, Toko. Yeah, thank Cranberry. Tara, what happened? Say thank you.
Thank you, I'll make a food basket never empty.
Okay, we have Lookerman and the wing are going all off. Lookerman. So thank you all to our extended family. So thank all the extended family.
Thank all the extended family.
Yeah, so that's how we call the extended family. So guys, so we give thanks, really give thanks to all our extended family that reach out to this Cranberry, we call them Cranberry family, to the Cranberry family. Imagine them got a family name now, the Cranberry family. We thank you so much for the blessings, each time helping out the situation, So I would say the dad feel much better. Like out of 100, how much you feel? How much better you feel out of 100?
90.
What? 90 out of 100, that's good. So that's good. Trust me, he's the man of miracle. He's the man of miracle. If you're a man with a mild stroke, and his stroke just boom within no time, then the next day you just run out, hospital, then walk down about in business, and then come back now, the man at work, from us, trust me. You're here for a reason, isn't it? As I say, you're here for a reason, in general. I'm say, you promise yourself, say, certain things never stop, So don't go against what the Almighty and what your plans say you're going to do, yeah? This side, that you're going to do it. It's a really easy way to get a test, So don't you feel like, I feel alright now, you're going back to the bad habit. Next time, it's not going to be that, Get the test for a reason, I say it work, Yeah, man, when you stick at your door, man, and you say, no, I'm doing certain thing, but when you feel alright and better now, you're going back to the same habit. And feel like, you feel like it's not going to happen, it will happen again because of that. Especially as I said, you're diabetic, the smoking, it will affect it because you're diabetic. You just can't run from it. You see me? So the matter of your mindset, you can't smoke a one spliff now and then because of the mind. But no, trust me. Because you don't know how much you can intake. That's the thing. Yeah, man. So we do the right thing, see me, God. I don't say we continue to pray for the Father to stay healthy, Eat the right thing, If you can get where you can get, because I get the back the roots for you and stuff, Yeah, man, the noon with the cayenne pepper night. And also, I got to buy some ground food as well because somebody said must buy some ground food. You have to go in the market and buy some grocery for them, so that you have to go. Send me here some wheat flour. Get some good things where, So go eat rice, you have to eat brown rice instead of white rice. Yes, So and oats good same, so you have to just get on the right thing, Yeah. Say obviously financial wise, they're gonna need that to go and maintain to eat the right thing. You see me? So in that way there you can just go and so you can do now where you can fix while you get a little support. Because when I get the support now, you just say, what? Let's do this for now. So you kind of run out of funding at least when I do the right thing. So you have time to can back up. Let's do the right thing, the guys. Yeah, man, so we give thanks, for all the blessings. We also have donation from. We say we have donation for go and start out back. So if you don't hear your name in this batch, you will hear it in the next batch, because we have others to go and leave it as well too. So we give thanks and nothing but love alone, guys. So they can say, yeah, they can go and do back your work, I'm kind of slow you down.
You drink water, girl.
You drink water. You want bag juice?
Yeah.
You drink water? Coco? You want bag juice? Bag juice, you want? Bag juice, you want? Bag juice, you want? How about? Our ball, Tara.
So far. Because you are here.
Oh, she want more sweets. Can't eat up the sweetie. Can't eat up all the sweets, Tara. Come here, miss. Come here. Stand up here, so. Nana, come to Nana, come. Stand up here, so. No, stand up right there, so. Which drawer is your drawer? Alright. So, where's your drawer?
And this a taco jar.
No, so who's closing this? You're closing there?
It does mix up.
Oh, it mix up. Say if it mix up then, so, oh, it not fix up. How come the jar them not fix? But see close coming down. No, well fix it then. If you just put it, fix it.
Sheet there.
Wait, mine are on. Yeah, well done. Fix the next one.
So
then.
yeah, excuse me and read this.
Yeah, and the next one then down there, so.
I'll look at you kill.
Yeah. So what? So listen. So come here, girls. So why you cannot keep it like this? You don't know, Cranberry? Why you can't keep it like that?
No.
Hey, me don't know nothing. I'm talking to you.
And them a pull it down and
them alone. So
me
ask.
Me not keep my clothes in my jar. Me keep my clothes
So
in my
Nana,
barrel.
and Toko, please, fix it back. Okay, look how easy it is. No, that was so easy and quick. Look at that. And it look much better now.
Yeah, eat sweetie and I cry for sweetie.
Tara, how much sweetie you want, Tara?
See, take up 3 sweeties.
3?
And she eat them.
She eat 3 sweetie already? That's enough.
No, I'm going no enough already. I'm serious.
Please, no.
No, if I fall, I'm not going to make none lift back. I'm serious. That's a God.
If your mama said no, why your face make up like that? Eh? I'm talking to Cranberry. If your mama said no, why your face is like that? Kenisha,
Yeah.
you have to start fix our business, you know. Because if your mama said no, your face not should be like that.
It's satisfied.
It's satisfied.
Yeah.
You must learn to satisfy.
And they look more soul.
And she look about soup. Exactly.
Although she never eat yesterday, but guess what they believe. Welcome to school.
What happened to her yesterday?
She was seizure yesterday.
Yesterday? Seizure again?
She just sleep. But when she get up, she normally tell me say her head hurt her. But them give me one Panadol for buy for her. But yesterday when I come, it weird out. Come have to end up go collect something and come back.
Oh. So she sleep.
She sleep and when she bite her lip, but her lip did a strip, but it
Tara, what I do?
you just need to put oil on it.
Mama, look there. Mama, look there. Look from Tara. Look from Tara. Look from Tara.
Where you look for your mother for?
Look from Tara.
Man, I start leave the case. Did you have seizure yesterday? Oh, shh. Oh, shh.
No, take out
So you don't say you're not gonna cook?
Chicken meal. No, stop it because I have chicken knife fish.
Chop chicken and fridge
No,
down
it's not
Yeah.
mine. It's my mother one. My father said want it for cook.
Take off the piece.
I tell so don't put nice soup.
Oh, it's the one way you do it. Like
You know say who buy one pack of the cup, you know.
That's right.
The lady she said them so expire but them not expire as yet, so she did end up giving some. I'ma buy some from her, so we end up use them and make soup with them.
Yeah.
Just buy a piece of Irish or yam and just pour the soup with it.
Yeah. Cause you have to continue to boil more soup and porridge for charge you. Yeah? Yeah, little girl. Little girl. Different data me I go for, yeah? This time I'm going to find a different daughter somewhere here. You know, no more Cranberry. Yeah, you got help me find one daughter, Nana?
Yes.
Yeah? Tara said yes. Ooh, Tara, who you got help me find? Where's the daughter? Where she is? You? Tara said me. Tara said yeah, me. Sure?
No, what are them going
Check them ones finished, because I'm going to eat them off.
I try them when I'm looking at. I use that place, try them then I house.
Oh, so they know which part it there?
So, no, no. Look, come on, know too. So, if you like, I'm here alone, look, come on, now do it. Look, come on, just ask.
I'm going to tell her if I move it. So, no fine.
She said, one of the people, now my wife, I'm not going to see.
You're not supposed to. But listen, yeah? Listen, Cranberry, I'm talking to you, yeah? You see, whenever your mommy says something to you, if she said no, you just say, okay, then, mommy. Yeah? Listen, when I talk to you, look at me. Yeah? Yeah. If she said no, you just say, okay, then, mommy. Right? And then you don't try to get upset. Okay? Because if you see every them thing there, see that things on the machine in the river arm?
Yeah.
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 Because if you do that, Cranberry, I'm see you do it, and now I feel good. And then you're going to make me don't want to come and look for you anymore. Because it's going to look like so you don't have any manners. And you want me to stop come look for you? Exactly. So if you don't want me to stop come look for you, you have to just listen. Yeah? You promise? Yeah? If you don't promise, you know, I'll tell you anything, now see me back. Yeah?
See her up your ball.
If she ball, I'm not come back to me.
I'm having no number that I think.
Go block your number.
I'm ready down my book.
I go block it so you can't call it. I change all my number.
I can't change the number and give me that.
You're shy. Yeah, me give you number. I'm not give she. Me give Tara as well too. Give Tara my number.
And I'm here, Tara, go get a phone to buy when them buy them food.
I'm not going to answer. First of all, I'm not going to give none of the number then. Nobody.
You want a number there?
Nobody.
They know family.
I should don't know which family live anyway, so can't find me.
Your family give me a...
When me come down there, me go last.
Yeah, of course I got last.
And then me call Esther.
Esther not answer none of them. Esther not good enough call me anyway.
Yeah.
I say Esther don't make nobody call me. None of them can
Tell Esther that you want me to beat Esther right now. So I'm not see her today and that type of thing.
Okay. Yeah.
Cameron!
So she'll give you there. You tell her thanks. Yes, I pick out everybody bag, so.
I tell I'm going to Daddy. And give them, look at them, grab the cigarettes that I'm on and run. They have more than business. They don't care nothing. Don't come bite me.
As a god, I the bag.
Yes, because
Tyra. Yeah, one of them
Kenisha.
always spend her ears and tell her.
yeah, them there so they know where you hide it, so you have to go move it. Yeah.
What? I'm not going to do it right there. And that's the thing. Easy in the house, yeah. Find in a jar, find in a barrel. And that's the thing.
So now you hurt you? You're not hurt you though? No. Okay. Still not ready yet?
You got to try red?
The things I don't even know. You know, someone they tell me say, I think when you pull out one of these, or something like so. Oh yes. So if you pull it out and it come out like this, that means it's ready. What that them say? swear somebody call me and say, yes, it's ready.
No. Yes, so.
Guys, and don't remember if them said, pull out one of these from the top, and if it come out, that means it's ready.
If it pull out,
Yeah. Somebody tell me something like that. You know, remember?
you don't normally get orange before it come out.
No.
I too come on.
No, cause look, so how easy it pull out. You see?
May I study? May I study? Get it?
You see?
You can put it down right.
It's most ready. Guys, I don't even remember, but I swear. I want this courage. Oh, not courage. I watch them big red ants here.
Eh?
Red ants here.
I eat them at least.
Charge it.
If it right, you would have smell it.
Oh, you smell it? You sure?
Absolutely. You know,
Eh?
you one down the right.
Okay.
Give me. It's not right.
It not right. So probably we have to wait till the wait then some more. Wait, my mouth I run mouth water. Charge it. You ever smell it before?
Yeah, man, you see, that's when it's ripe, man. You know, when it's
I don't want it, yeah.
You smell it?
Yeah.
Oh.
You see change color, man.
Okay.
Camelica.
So the color you gonna change?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's start
You
with
know,
that change color.
if you're getting enough.
I can't wait.
That's why I want it more for because I want big boy in it. That's why I want it more for going.
Yeah?
I want big money.
Cause I swear somebody tell me say if I pull out the thing out of the top and it come out, it ready. Not like that?
That's young.
Young.
Can I put on that for right?
Jackfruit finish off of the tree now. Is it two up there?
But they pick one.
You pick one?
Yeah. Tara eat it.
When that?
Tara eat it and then Mike will eat it.
When was that?
When
gone.
When Mommy they gone away. Mommy you gone a fucking year. When Tara put the fridge and then that's the coating.
More in
Yeah, Mr. Two.
Yesterday. That dog. The dog.
Say look on the bottom one them.
Dog.
Sarah, who put it the dog?
Yeah.
Tension as a kid of friend.
No, something joke me also. I just
Sarah,
frightened.
come here.
So stick make your friend Kino.
It joked me, so I almost frightened. I'm going to see two jackfruit, two there, so.
I'm not too alone in there. Let's be done, I tell you no. See that one that's.
But them look liquor.
I saw them ripe sometime.
Lollipop and lollipop. Lollipop. No, lollipop.
Look little.
Okay, I will. Taste it. No, taste it, lollipop.
They look liquor.
Okay, we are.
Today.
No, come.
The daddy and us in today. Why?
That's gonna like beard.
Yeah, put cream.
Like beard.
Yeah, put your cat now, everybody.
That's really good.
And the one that was down at the river, I seen them and see my children see his clothes.
So far, charge will reach now.
Go back.
Yeah, go do what?
Make a good soup, make a float.
Oh, float it off. One straight float. It's a good look. It's a good look. Alright, then charge, you know what thing goes in, so tomorrow, you know.
Alright.
Well, tomorrow.
Gonna drop on your daddy. Daddy, drink that juice. And the boy come out.
Water, man. That's why I'm not here.
Yeah, I want more bitters. I get some more bitters.
No, Kina, I don't want them, man.
Of course, I get more bitters. Because I get some more bitters for them.
No.
Trust me.
The bitters I
Because
want
the dad say want some more of the noonie.
And that one that me want.
Don't that I brought for him.
The one
with
that
cayenne
me
pepper.
nah, go drink again, mommy. Too bitter.
Because right now him saying could have feel it in his blood and feel it.
What? That's the one that Chris about the best. Yeah.
What should I tell the Cinco Bible?
I think Bible eat I the dungeon and the little part. And you can put no water in there. I mother makes to me. I'm a drink.
A whole heap of clothes in unaware, man.
See one hour here to work. See your mom will fly there.
How much clothes there so?
Because it's my auntie, I have to run there. I go buy a box of the money. Now if I'm buying none, why are you? What? Why?
And he got a lot of fun.
These tent little pool. So now pool now. In a pool. Tara, you have pool now, Tara. Eh? Cool. Eh? And in a long time.
Oh, look, some not change. I went still wet up. Watch it. I'm going to ask me how me stay in there, sorry, huh?
Cut your foot.
The doctor said we have to make no something they're going on with two.
Sunday. We get cook Sunday.
You cook Sunday?
I'm in the ball.
Your ball.
Oh.
And what I get deep, man, I can't walk in that.
That deep on you?
No, man, I want to be all of my shots.
Alright, so.
Yeah, I want to
Because it's
Some more back on it.
take my shots. Can't bother with my shots.
You see me there, like a
I
shirt.
don't swim.
So tomorrow you can't come swim, daddy?
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah.
You must get a holiday and come
Me
swim.
not come. Me not go there tomorrow.
You're not there tomorrow?
I go there later. I did that I stink.
Supposed to have what?
Let's go there.
Oh, the bug. Oh.
Move in, man.
Not exam today.
Not me.
Today and tomorrow.
Not me.
Not Cranberry. What a coolie, man. Oh my days.
I went more with it. Actually, I buy your clothes, eh? No, but I was waiting up and left saying nothing.
Yeah, go in there.
Oh, you can't just say again, I want to just change.
Mommy, I wake up my phone. Mama, I'm coming there.
Yeah, for the kid, move.
Mama, come.
Go on, Tara, go deep.
What is she saying?
Mama, come.
Tara, swim, eh?
Mommy.
No, Kina don't do no. She can't see me in there.
Oh, so me not that your mother say.
Mama don't come. Yeah. No, come on, no. Hey.
Get in here, see him closer. What up, girl?
We now wait up to me dry already. Really? Your skin one wet.
Yeah, too cold.
Eh? As some bath, you come back now, everybody use your cold.
Aye. Aye. Miss. Cold. Hey, no.
Yes, stop now.
Wet me up. Go wet me up.
Let me down.
Go and bathe now, she said. Go and go bathe. No.
And you forgot to take stuff to the skin.
No, sir.
Pure water cold.
Oh, the water cold, man, I like it. Well cool. Look how them in it. No, sir. Why not? Go and bathe too.
I think I'm like walker. I say you stay and get a big. I say your man, my first meeting the dog a sleep a joint.
You jump in there?
But pushing up and them think him jump up by himself. You know say now when you want to be able to do it himself, you don't have to do it.
It is cold. The water cold. The water so cold.
Wala pa na kami ya bendok. Ya ko kino.
Alright.
Yeah.
Come on!
Nakina ya can't.
Come on! Go on, charge the car. Go on and come back. Charlie, go on and come back.
I hope you never eat sweet cake. You say up the wrong.
Alright guys, I'm not like the water cold. But once you get inside it, you're alright. Don't cook your food. Water cold, water cold. Shall come. You can't flow what? Talk about from the floating, man. Tara, talk about from the floating.
What Tara?
And Tara too. What Tara? Tara, big swimmer, you know, man. Eh? Oh, Tara, though. Tara. This is a mermaid family.
Mommy, talk what will come Talk what will come
Tara get licked.
I don't like it. I will miss it. Go on, Mom. Yes, let's go.
Go Tara go. Go Tara go. Go Tara go. Go Tara go. Go Tara go. Tara big swimmer here. Tara big swimmer. Yeah, the water feel nice now, guys, I'm not lie. But I'm gonna, when we come up here with the team, come help out and charge it somewhere. That day I'm gonna swim too. Long time I really go and relax in some water. You know? It's just my feet be getting the water. My feet didn't get in the water, nothing else. But listen, when you see this family enjoying themselves, imagine what them use for. This is their enjoyment. Swimming, you know, this is their fun, them joy. You know, you see the mom create a pool where them can have a little bit of leverage on the water. You know, and this is their joy, this is their fun because they have nothing else to do, you know, more than here. You know, and just enjoy themselves. You know, one time we were young, we used to play marble, football, cricket, you know, you name it. Make backstroke and all this little thing. Up here, so it's not the spot where they can play football. They can play a scratch, dandy shandy, you know, like run down and stuff. You're just a river where they can just swim. So that's what they do. They just swim and enjoy themselves. Trust me. Just swim and enjoy themselves. The night is coming down. It's feel nice. Up here nice, you know, catch the river?
Eh?
Up here nice because the river is so nice. It makes me don't want to leave.
You know, because the view that do, when
Eh?
they come on river,
Yeah.
them guys them guys go up. When they use them underpants, beat it out for them come
Yeah.
and keep out lotion.
Yeah.
Because them no one get deep.
Oh, yeah. Feet dry.
And style when I tell them no and rub them hand.
And see if it
And see if it look white, then know them and get up.
yeah.
Them smart, them sad. So them, tell you, it's true. You know, Cranberry cool close. So them normally walk come up here evening time. So when she see them all come home about 4 o'clock, she knows that okay them come.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, okay, start with them come up here. When I tell her, if them comfortable, them I go find first. Like
Yeah.
if they don't fit man, you must go to see her.
Yeah.
Go with it.
Because the day I will get my family, we get food, chicken.
Yeah. Now around here too as well too. Don't meet boom them doing so.
They're not going nowhere.
You may not go nowhere.
Call them to me for them dirty guys.
Yeah.
What? I don't let me I go to.
No want a bodyguard, you know.
39. Wait till I come back, I get some beat and I go carry it.
Yes, man. Yes. I'm going to take out my belt and beat.
What?
Yeah.
Who you can't beat it?
LPM, but I LPM.
And Kina not found a bell for him.
Kina don't know, when you come up here, you need to walk around and leather bell.
Yeah, man, walk
with
with
the
it.
water and fix that.
And Kina can't lick me. Kina dead, so I'm going to cry now from me.
Come like you want the mother gear some.
I'm going to give some lick, man.
You want it. You need it.
Yeah, later.
Alright, later.
Yeah. Friend. Yeah. Alright guys, you know it's time for me to head out. It's getting a bit darkish. You know, once it's getting dark, it's time for me to head out. Out. Heading out. So I'm gonna get Boom and Worship and let them know that I'm ready. Yee.
Jump on, no. No, man, jump. Hold on, no. Hey, come on, jump on. Talk, come here, jump on, talk. You move the talk up. Huh? Talk, are you good?
Cold. You know, like my foot in it, I'm take out my foot like it couldn't move.
And it couldn't move.
Frozen. Jack said, I wash him ankle. Jack said, I wash him ankle. Oh, sir. They say ankle and me I wash.
Yeah.
Jack said, tired, I wash him ankle. Jack said, yo, oh, me now beard, me a tidy. And I wash him ankle.
It was dry white. No, I follow you, know. No, I follow you.
Them. Oh, wait there. Cheat there.
Them love so far away. And above down in about and
I time at the knives, that. Enough for them, yeah.
no, some naive.
Yeah. That's what's making the noise, guys. A lot of these. No, that's what's making the noise. Yeah.
Yeah, put me
Loud, you know. A boomer saying come on. Don't know, my touch up in your finger and you
See, man, look, see how I go.
Then you have to touch your finger, run up in it, broke off, you know.
Turn the pants back and front, you see that?
Yeah. Atara style. Talk of that. Oh, Tara. Tara. Come, high five, Tara. Go ahead now, high five. High five. High five. Talk of high five, the man.
Talk of your breath, see me, say, where something in there. You have them.
High five, Talker.
You don't have to breathe them, you take out something and come out.
My uncle?
Yeah, got through the water. Cause them that swim, I said them wet, you know.
Go chim in there, you know.
Oh. You don't like him in the water and there, watch it. Watch it.
So you turn the pants back front.
Style that, man.
Crisscross.
Crisscross to make you.
Oh, you have to go wash and comb and comb.
You next.
I will be my ear.
Every day, so it looks so now.
You next. Come again.
Yeah, you can come, none of you come, man.
Alright then, so later, alright?
Come again.
Tomorrow.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Alright, bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye. Alright guys, time to head in. Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.